Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Binance with bank transfer. And this is what I do. So once you're logged in, I come over here to trade. I want you to click on that and then click on P2P. This is the peer-to-peer network. You can actually buy using bank transfer as well. I've done this multiple times. So I'll show you what you need to do. Once you click on P2P, there's a buy section and sell section. In this case, we want to buy Bitcoin, right? Make sure you have BTC selected right here, right? And then here you can choose the currency you are paying with depending on your country. Let's say, for example, I choose this one. But what matters is under here, see all payment methods, you choose bank transfer. Okay, choose bank transfer. You'll see all of the listed, advertised. These are merchants that are selling. Try to look for the ones that have, very high positive feedback rating and the shortest completion times, the highest percentage completed, right? You can also enter the amount that you are looking to buy and it'll filter according to that. Then you just come here, choose buy a Bitcoin, right? BTC. And then they'll ask you to, of course, enter the amount you want to buy. Okay, how much you are you're going to be paying, or you can just enter the amount of Bitcoin that you would like to go ahead and buy. You'll see how much you have to pay. You set your payment method. So here, just choose bank transfer. Okay, and then click on buy Bitcoin. It'll give you instructions. You send the money to them. Once it has been sent, they'll release the funds to you. Okay, it's very safe as long as you pick the correct merchants. Really easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.